So people buy for several different reasons. They're looking to save time, money, and frustration. They're looking to avoid pain or gain pleasure. They're looking to increase or generate more wealth, make money. Or they're looking to they just want to fit in. They just want to look cool. And there's a bunch of other little niche reasons why people buy, but these are the main reasons. This covers the broad spectrum. So let's get into why people buy. So, people buy based on emotion and they justify it with logic. A good example of this is Apple. So Apple has the think differently slogan. So that slogan is crafted toward the people that are innovative thinkers. They're all about challenging the status quo, pushing the limits of what is possible. So they're selling an emotional need, and a lot of companies are dedicated to buying Apple products because they share that same vision with Apple. Another example is E-Trade. I don't know if you've seen the commercials, but they say, don't get mad, get E-Trade. They show the rich jerk living it up, lavish life, and they're appealing to that target audience of people that want wealth, they want power, they want money. Don't get mad, get E-Trade. They focus on that solution. They take that emotion and channel it toward, we have the solution to that, and we can help you achieve that desired outcome. Another example is people that go through their midlife crisis. So if you're a car salesman at a car dealership and somebody comes up on the lot and you can quickly identify they're kind of going through that midlife crisis by the way that they talk about, just straight up ask them why they're looking to buy the car. They may even tell you that they're just looking, they've worked their whole life. They've worked hard for what they have, and they're looking to feel young again and enjoy life again. So they're going to splurge in this car. So if you can focus on helping them visualize feeling young again, feeling youthful, then you can make that sell a lot easier. Focus on people's needs. Don't be so company focused and all about your solution. So focus on helping them achieve that desired outcome. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and share. Follow me for more tips. And if you need any help with marketing, just reach out to me and I'll be glad to help.